part 2. You can see how long this goes. Back to the motor. I'm going to open her up again. Again, we'll see. Supposed to be big block. It certainly is something. But around the car is pretty good too, like I said. The hinge is really cool. Works very well. Yeah, almost like the real one. Real one kind of went in a little bit. You'll see also the non-functional trim scoop that they used to have on those cars. Again, big block cars, unlike small block ones, had the dome on the hood. So let's pick that real well as well. And we must not forget a really cool feature on the car. Take a look here at the grille. And just like General Motors, we'll help her up a little bit. Might remind you of some of those old cars, F-bodies in particular. But anyway, they do it real well. They have separate trim on the headlights. The headlight details picked out very well. I mean, it's really cool looking. Yeah, that adds a lot too. So you can have your headlights up or down. And go down there with a little switch and look underneath. Again, it is signed. You see right there. And you got your leaf spring from your C2 car. So you got your independent rear suspension. For a rear-wheel drive car, late 60s, early 70s, pretty good. Four-wheel disc brake car as well. That was another hallmark of the C2. So, I mean, really advanced car. Again, I recommend this to anybody's collection. It's a really great car. Highly recommended. Limited edition, AUTOart Millennium Series.